Hi folks, we're back again and we're in a 42 RL, which to our surprise could work for us. The bedroom has multiple closet space, and down here in this kitchen it has more space than our 39 FB. Multiple drawers, hutch, pantry over here right next to the refrigerator, storage space above for Instapots and everything else. More storage space above the refrigerator, which is a residential style refrigerator. The sink is awesome. There's a lot of pluses here that myself, D, and I really like. And it is 3 feet longer, which I believe they've added on to the living space here in the back, which really makes this feel like a big unit. Depending on what kind of furniture you get, Lambrite, Paul's, American, there's a bunch of different choices. But this is definitely a contender. Even though I would lose my half bath, the bathroom, once you shut off the other door, for people to use, it's just 2 steps up and they're right in your bathroom. They can go to the bathroom, they come down, they don't have to walk through your bedroom. Let's take a look and I'll show you. 1, 2, 3, there's a window here. You're into the bathroom. Toilet over there, shower over there. Your sink, waterfall sink. Washer and dryer. Then you start with storage. You've got storage here. This is probably for your linens and stuff. You've got 2 drawers, same type, 1, 2, and then you come into the bedroom. My wife's gonna sneak on by, and you've got a full cabinet that goes all the way through. Shoe rack, hanging clothes, more stuff on the bottom.
Nice layout for the bed.
You got a little cubby on either side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cabinets up above. You've got more storage here. And then you get into the side, which, beautiful. You've got 4 drawers that are this deep and this size. You've got another place here for knickknacks and whatever else, whatever you choose to put in there. And then you've got another one over here. So in reality, you've got a his and hers closet area. This would probably turn into mine because all those drawers there she would use, I'm sure, and I didn't even get into seeing. Yep.
Oh, that's perfect.
And this opens up.
All the way. This is what ours does right now, the 39 FB. The 44 FL didn't go that far back. It was shorter in length, but you had the width of the bed.
So we like this. You've got 2 windows, cross ventilation, not small windows, big windows.
Kind of put a wrench in it because we didn't even come here to look at this one.
Yeah, and I really like this one the best. And the 42 MD is the one, if we're not going to get the 44 FL, might be a real good contender because it has 2 bunk beds and an office room. I lose a half bath again, but the way this one's positioned, nobody has to come into your bedroom, and I like that. Well, folks, at the end of the day, we have some serious decision making to make in regards to if we're going to get into a new unit or we're just going to put some money into ours and make ours with solar and a few other things. So we're going to take all this information home and ponder it at the house. On that note, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any comments or any questions, feel free to ask. We're also on Instagram and all the rest of that stuff. And I'd be happy to try to answer it where this would be my second Luxe product. I feel I'm pretty knowledgeable on these now. So we'll see you on the road.